Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm Durga and you are into my channel Learn with Durga. So today's topic is Section 8 companies. So what is Section 8? Section 8 deals with not-for-profit organization, that is charitable institutions. Those institutions do not take profit for them, they do for the promotion of the other people, right? So that is section 8 companies. So let us see the objective of the company. So the objective is to promote commerce, arts, science, sports, education, research, social welfare, society, religion, etc. So the objective of these section 8 companies is promotion of these commerce, art, science, like that. Okay, so because they are formed with the object of promoting charitable objects, company can use its profit. So now the company is earning some profits from its activities. So what can it do with that profit is that it can develop the promotion of its objects. So if it is the objective is to promote commerce, then it must use its profit to promote such commerce or arts, like that. So dividend. Now we are going to see about dividend. So when the company earns, what is dividend generally? When the company earns profit, it distributes dividend to its members. It can distribute dividend yearly or quarterly or half-yearly as per the decision of the company. But in this section 8 companies, the dividend is not distributed. Okay, because they are formed with the object of not for profit, so dividend cannot be distributed. Next we are going to see about who issues license to section 8 companies. So section 8 companies license are given by the central government, so they can obtain license only from the central government. So then there are few limitations. So the company cannot add limited or private limited to its name. So when the company is startup company of section 8, then it cannot add the name like limited or private limited. And then the second is it is a company with limited liability. So if you want to know the meaning of limited liability, you can check my previous video. I have told about the limited liability. So it is a company with only limited liability. And then if the company enjoys same privileges and obligations of a limited company, firm can be member of a company registered under section 8. So if there is another company which is section 8 company, it can be member of that company. Then the company can alter its articles and memorandum only under the previous approval of the central government. So the articles and memorandum of the company can be altered only on the approval of central government. The license is also issued by the central government and the alteration is also approved by the central government. Now let us see the exceptions given to the section 8 company. So what are the exceptions is that general meeting can be called upon by giving clear 14 days notice. In general, if the company is conducting general meeting, they have to give 21 days prior notice. But in case of section 8 company, the company can give only 14 days notice, it is enough. And then requirement of minimum number of directors, independent directors does not apply. So the company need not have minimum number of directors or independent directors, it can keep any number. And then need not constitute nomination and remuneration committee and shareholder relationship committee. So the company need not constitute such committees. Okay, now we are going to see about the contravention. So if the company does something violates the rules and regulations of the central government, the central government will revoke the license. So it will cancel its registration if conditions of section 8 are contravened or affairs of the company are conducted fraudulently. If the company involves in some fraudulent activities or it contravenes the rules and regulation, the central government will revoke the license. On revocation of license, so once the central government gives a notice that you have violated the rules and regulation or you have conducted fraudulent act, the central government is revoking the license. So once it revokes the license, the Section 8 company has to mandatorily convert into limited or private limited company. And then on winding up of the company, if there is any surplus, it cannot use that surplus. It has to transfer surplus to similar company with similar objectives. That is Section 8 companies. And then or else insolvency and bankruptcy fund. So it has to transfer its surplus to those funds and then amalgamate with other similar company. In case it wishes to continue its objectives, it may amalgamate with other company, other Section 8 company. So we are going to see about the punishment given by the central government. So if the company violates the rules and regulations, they may be fined from rupees 10 lakh to rupees 1 crore. If the officer is involving in the fraudulent activities, then rupees 25,000 to rupees 25 lakhs fine will be imposed and he will be punished under section 447. If you find the video useful, please do share to your friends and like the video and subscribe to the video for further more videos. We will see in the next video. Please do drop your comment.